And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance Waltz silver level routine with the count. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Very good. Let's look again from another angle. And 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Very good, and now let's look at the same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with double reverse spin with ladies heel turn. Then close telemark, again ladies heel turn, continued by natural spin turn, overturned version, which means man's end backing line of dance, and continue with turning lock to right. From here cross hesitation and outside spin. And we finish with turning lock to left. And now let's look once again in slow motion from another angle. So we start in closed position and dance double reverse spin with ladies heel turn, continued with closed telemark, again ladies heel turn, now step outside into natural spin turn, overturned, then we dance turning lock to right to promenade position, from here we dance cross hesitation and outside spin. And then we dance turning lock, this time turning to left. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.